3 organizational features for your iPhone you don't want to miss. 1. Customize apps and widgets on your home screen. Simply hold down the app for 1 second and then you can select Edit Home Screen from here. Edit option appears to rearrange your home screen. On the top left corner, if I select the edit icon here, add a widget, you can select Add Widget. Common widgets here that I could add to my home screen. Ooh, this looks great. And I'm going to add this widget to my home screen by selecting Add Widget. The other thing you can do is select Edit again and customize your page. Light, dark mode. I can select my icons to be larger. 2. Lock an app. Hold down on the app you'd like to lock for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then select Require Face ID, select Require Face ID, and now I either have to enter my passcode or it will unlock it with face recognition if you have that set up. 3. Customize your lock screen. Hold down on your lock screen. If you have a passcode or Face ID, go ahead and enter that. Select Customize, and I'm going to customize my lock screen. Swipe between different styles. You can change the design of your font and color, more bold or less bold. You can change the color. And my favorite, you can add some of my favorite widgets to my lock screen. Going to add my activity widget so I can easily log in and access those apps from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.